Hello everybody, my name is Legoejmgoogoo. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the McFarlane Mr. Universe Lego building set. Let's begin. Okay, so my mother purchased this at Walmart, which cost about $5 plus tax. It was originally $17, but they changed it up to $5. And I'll tell you why it's $5. But we'll get to that in a second. So this set contains 319 pieces. And as we can see, it comes with Greg's van, 2 minifigures, which is Greg, the father, and Steven, the son. And here's what it looks like. This is Greg's van. And as you can see, it says Mr. Universe. Yep, that's me. Okay, so let's take a look at this side first. So, as we can see, this side has wheels, the sticker, a door, and another door, which is this door. So as we can see, the inside has a bed and Steven's TV. And in the back right there, you can't really see, it's boxes. But we'll take a look at that later. Okay, so let's take a look at the front. So at the front, we have the windows. You can see the inside with the chairs. And we have the bumper with the Universe license plate. We have headlights and the engine. And on the doors, we have rear view mirrors. Okay, now let's take a look at this side. So as you can see, on this side, we have another door that opens to the driver's seat. We have the Mr. Universe sticker. And on this side, there is no door, but there is a window. Okay, now for the back. So, these doors can open. See? And we can see the boxes right there. The bed, the TV, and the table. And we can just close these. Just like so. Okay, now it's time for the pros and cons. So, the pros are, it's compatible with Lego. It has special pieces such as the rear view mirrors, the doors, the wheels, and more. And it's very cheap. Now for the cons. It's generic. Not the same quality as Lego. The instructions wasn't easy to follow. It took me about 2 hours to build this. You can't put the minifigures inside unless you take out these things and then put the minifigures inside. And it breaks apart easily, such as this part. And the bed. And this same piece comes out when I open this door. Overall, it's good to buy when on your budget, and it's good to buy for only pieces. I recommend you buying this set for only pieces. I guess that's why it was $5. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. I hope it helped you in some way. If it did, please leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, and ask questions. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.